Hello everybody, and this is the unexclusive tutorial here, and today I'll be showing you a new awesome feature, the single player commands mod for version 1.0.0, so it's a final release and the final updated version for the single player, so you want to download this. It's a really awesome application for you for your single player commands, and I'll show you how to download it. It'll be in the link in the description, and you don't need mod loader, mod MP, AutoMod, or something like that. So you don't need anything, you just need jar file. You need the jar file. You don't need other things like the mod and like this things. So you only need the jar file, the actual single player commands. So let's begin, shall we? First of all, first update your Minecraft before doing this. That's the first step. So mine's first updated and it's kind of a bit laggy, so I'm sorry if it's lagging, so let me just X that for a moment. So this will be a short video for you, for me and for you, something like that. So now you want to open the jar file. Don't worry, this is a safe download. You can download this even from the link in the description for my downloads, and it's really nice. And it'll look like this. I think I'm not going to do the start Minecraft thing. So first you want to do, when you first update your Minecraft, exit before doing this. You must X Minecraft so it can actually work. So back up your files and stuff like that if it doesn't work, the first update or something. So what you want to do is first click the backup Minecraft jar. It's gonna say, so backup goes successful like that, and press OK. And click on install. Minecraft MC jar, then install. And the install will be really long. It's kinda horrifying. It's kinda long, so this is gonna be a short video. Okay, if it says the installation was successful, that means it's okay. It was a success. So back up your worlds, stuff like that. Now, when you press the backup MC jar and install, next to install is backup worlds. So you need to back up the worlds and press OK. Yes, so if it works, then exit Minecraft. So it should be done. That's really easy, and that's really good. So, as again, I'm gonna make my password wrong, and yes, I'm gonna make my password wrong. So no one can see the actual password of mine. And I'm sorry if you're seeing Minecraft laggy. It's kind of a bit laggy right now. Okay, my password wrong. Login. You already know the first update, right? So follow that. Play offline. I'm gonna play offline. I'm gonna play online. So it's gonna start. No black screen. That looks really good. Good sign. Okay. Single player. New world. And it's gonna build terrain stuff. Understand this, and please don't unsubscribe or something. I don't have any subscribers now. Okay, it's gonna say happy birthday single player commands, now a year older. It's gonna say single player commands 3.0 SBC mode. Single player commands is out now, like that. So whatever your chatting is onto, if your chat is like TY like that, then press the chat. Mine is T, so I'm gonna press T. And yes, it's actually working. So thank you for downloading this. Please subscribe for more mod installation. Let's see what we can do. Like we can do no clip. Sorry about that. The mouse. Do no clip. And we can now fly. The Minecraft lagging. Oh, I found some coal. Very nice. So for example, I want a golden apple. I'm just gonna type in I3222, and I have now a golden apple. See right there. Oh crap. Okay. Got a golden apple. It's a really nice mod. You can see I can fly. Please subscribe for more mod installation. And this is not actually a mod, it's an application. So please subscribe for more. And please click like if you enjoyed this video. This is a short video. So yes, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.